Hey everyone! Today we're going to show you the first part of Celine's Barbie house renovation project. As you can see, it was in pretty bad shape. The roof had faded spots and bald patches, the floors were scratched, there was some water damage on the bottom floor, and the design on the walls was way too busy. We started by removing the ledge on the bedrooms to make it more accessible and open. Next, we started painting. I initially wanted to paint the whole house a warm beige tone, but as it's not my house, Cece chose the wall colors and pretty much painted the whole house herself. And we used tape to make sure to get straight lines and protect any spaces we didn't want to get paint on. We chose pale pink for the top floor and different shades of grey for the rest of the house.
We're painting the roof dark grey.
Once all the painting was done, we moved on to the floors. We just spread white glue onto the floor and then laid out the floral paper on top. Once it was dried, we added a layer of Mod Podge. We did the same process for the bedroom floors, but this time we chose a pink floral design. And again, once it was done, we added a layer of Mod Podge for added protection. For the kitchen and living room floors, we wanted it to seem like they had hardwood floors. So we cut out strips of brown paper bags and then laid them out as panels. They ended up looking great and really realistic. Again, once it was all done, we added a layer of Mod Podge for added protection. We're very happy with the way the transformation of the dollhouse came out, but we're not done. Stay tuned to watch part 2 of this renovation project.